Hey there! Welcome to another 50 Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a clear mango flavored gelatin using our 50 Express porcine gelatin. Put on your aprons and let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 50 Express porcine gelatin, 1.5 liters of water, an additional 1 cup of water, 2 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of Deiman mango natural essence, 2 tablespoons of Deiman mango concentrate, 1 tablespoon of 50 Express citric acid, and sliced fresh mangoes. In a microwave safe container, we're going to add half a cup of the 50 Express porcine gelatin with 1 cup of water, mixing until fully combined and set aside. In a medium pot, bring your water to a simmer. Add in 2 3/4 cups of the granulated sugar. Stir with the wooden spoon until the sugar dissolves. Heat the gelatin in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Take it out, stir, and finish heating for another 1.5 minutes. Pour your water and sugar mixture into a larger bowl. Add in the 1 tablespoon of citric acid. Combine the gelatin mixture with the sugar mixture and stir until completely combined. Let's divide the mixture in half. Pour 4 cups of the mixture into 1 large bowl. And pour the remaining 4 cups into a separate bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and add our flavoring. To the first batch, we're going to add an essence which has only scent and flavor. To the second one, we will add a concentrate which has scent, flavor, and color. Stir both batches thoroughly to make sure that flavoring goes all the way through. We're going to grease our gelatin mold with a little bit of nonstick spray. Use a paper towel to coat it evenly. Pour in 2/3 of a cup of the clear mango gelatin into your mold. Put it in the refrigerator to set for about 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out of the refrigerator. Add 1/3 of a cup of the clear mango gelatin to use as your glue. Let's begin arranging our mango slices. Carefully add approximately 1 1/3 of a cup of the clear mango gelatin. Be sure not to add too much gelatin to cover the mangoes completely. This will cause the mangoes to float. Refrigerate the gelatin for about 30 to 40 minutes. Bring the gelatin out of the refrigerator. Add a little bit more of the clear mango gelatin, enough to cover the rest of the mangoes. Take it back to the refrigerator to set for another 30 minutes. Bring it back out from the refrigerator and add approximately about 1 2/3 of a cup of the gelatin with the concentrate. This will create a unique colored background for your gelatin. Take it one last time to the refrigerator. Let it set for 4 hours or overnight. To serve the gelatin, take your mold and put it in a warm water bath for a couple of minutes. With your hand, begin to pull the gelatin away from the sides to make it easier to unmold. Remove the mold from the water bath. These disposable golden trays are perfect to plate your dessert. With your hand, gently rotate the gelatin to be sure it loosens enough to unmold. Place your golden tray over the mold and carefully flip over the gelatin. Your dessert is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50 Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time.